GEMEM Kids Art Easel with Paper Roll Magnetic Double-Sided Chalkboard Review 2020. How to assemble. Please check images first. There is a protective film on both whiteboard and blackboard that needs to be taken off prior to using. Reversible Easel. Double-sided easel with chalkboard on one side, magnetic dry erase board on the other. Children's safe always come first. Original wooden, no paint. Safe enough. In school or at home, ideal for kids' art activities in classrooms, daycares, preschools, playrooms. Larger writing surface dimensions and higher adjustable height. Adjustable height. Children's easel slides anywhere between 35.4 and 65 high to accommodate children ages 3 to 15 years old. Writing surface dimensions 25.6 x 25.6. Enjoyable and educational art easel. Encourage children's artistic development through painting, drawing, writing, and storytelling. Ready to assemble. Some adult assembly required. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.